Tony, looks like we're 6 feet apart.
You know, Jeffrey, each golf club is 3 feet. This is the safest hospital golf outing in the United States of America.
Thank you, Tony, and thank you to everyone for joining us at the 37th annual Mount Sinai South Nassau Golf Outing. I'm proud to co-chair this outing with my good friend, Tony Cancelleri. And a huge thank you to our outstanding committee who helped make this event an annual success.
And thank you, my friend Jeffrey, for agreeing to be once again our co-chair. You know, we're really lucky at Mount Sinai South Nassau to have someone like you with the knowledge, the insight, and the expertise you have attending 500 golf outings a year. Thank you, Jeffrey. And you know what? We have 2 great honorees this year. We have Mark Barron, who's the president and founder of Parking Systems, and Dr. Stelios Koutsimbelis, who's an orthopedic surgeon out at Mount Sinai. 2 really quality gentlemen who really support our hospital.
Yes, Tony, I would like to recognize my friend Dr. K, who last year gave me tips on how not to throw my back out with my infamous golf swing. Dr. K specializes in the management of all spinal and scoliosis disorders. Under his leadership, the hospital orthopedic surgery program has achieved the Health Grade's America's 100 Best Orthopedic Surgery. Dr. K is married to Jennifer, and they have 2 young children. Dr. K has devoted his energy to providing his patients with world-class, standard-setting healthcare services. We're pleased to honor Dr. K for his commitment to the hospital, his patients, and the community. Congratulations, Dr. K.
And you know, Jeffrey, Mark Barron, who actually started his company in 1971, currently has over 1,000 employees, one of the largest parking management companies in the tri-state area, is a committed individual, has been so helpful and so supportive of our hospital, our SIBS program in Oceanside, and does wonderful things with Mount Sinai South Nassau. Mark and his wife Donna and their 2 sons live in Hewlett, and we're so fortunate to have him as part of our family and to honor him this evening.
Tony, it's been an incredible day, a fun day too, but let's not forget, it is a fundraiser. Raffles and silent auction items are still up for grabs. Please, everyone, we encourage you to support the hospital and participate in the raffles.
You know, good things are happening at South Nassau under the leadership of our president, Rich Murphy, and Dr. Rob Sharma, our chief medical officer. We're expanding our emergency department. All the monies, every cent we raise this evening goes to that emergency department. We're adding a new J-wing, which is a extension of our emergency department. We're adding critical care beds, operating rooms, a parking garage, a central utility plant, over $400 million worth of projects. So the work is really going on, and we're placing ourselves in a position to be able to take care of the residents of the South Shore of Long Island for years to come. But you know what? We're still in this pandemic. This hasn't left us. We've treated thousands of patients, critically ill patients, at South Nassau Hospital during the past year. We've vaccinated over 20,000 people so far. The fight continues. We have a wonderful staff who works tirelessly, putting themselves on the line day in and day out to help the people of this community. And we can't forget them. We have to support those wonderful employees in our hospital and our management team. So have a good time today. The money that we're raising is really going to help this hospital, and let's stay safe. We're not out of this pandemic yet, but we're going in the right direction. Thank you.
I'm here to talk about Stella's Koutsimbelis. This is going back about 3 years ago. We were trying to build the division of orthopedic surgery, and we were looking for a leader. And someone introduced me to Stelios. Now Stelios, as you all know, looks very smart, but looks very young. And I was looking at him and saying, can he build this division? And I can tell you that Stelios has been amazing over the last 3 years. He's helped us build this division into an outstanding place, which is a part of the Mount Sinai South Nassau system. He is someone who can think beyond his shoes. Not many clinicians can think beyond their own practice. He has maturity. I always like to say that he is an old soul. Even though he looks very young, he can really think beyond his years. It's been a great partnership. He's a great person. He's become a great mentor to other leaders in his department. And under his leadership, the orthopedic division of South Nassau has gone up to the world ranking. So I'm very proud to call him my colleague, my friend, and he is the right person to get honored today. Congratulations, Stelios, for this honor. Thank you.
It's really no surprise to me that you stand being honored today as the chairman of orthopedics at South Nassau. You lead a great orthopedic program there. You have an amazing practice where you're well respected by your patients, most importantly, and your peers. And I just want to congratulate you. It's truly an honor to work with you.
You are a great doctor and even better best friend. You are a great husband and an okay golfer. That's something we have to work at.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Goodson, and it is with great pleasure that I join you here today to recognize my husband Stelios as an honoree at Mount Sinai South Nassau's 37th annual golf tournament, along with fellow honoree Mark Barron. I can tell you that my husband is one of the most hardworking, compassionate people that I know, and he has made a huge contribution to the orthopedic community over the past 6 years. He is also a loving father to our 2 children, Katerina and Steven. Something you may not know about Stelios is that he only started to seriously play golf about 1 year ago. Congratulations, Stelios. We love you. We love you.
I've known Mark for over 30 years. When the pandemic hit, Mark immediately jumped in, contacted every restaurant he knew, and got thousands of bags of groceries, which he and his guys packaged and hand-delivered to all the employees of the hospital when the pandemic was at its peak. We brought in the Vaxmobile, and Mark immediately jumps in, learns how to run all the systems on it, and provides us with a commercial driver to get it from site to site. You may not even realize that Mark provided an open tab at the pantry diner so that all of the people at our vaccination center could take and walk over, get something to eat and drink. The guy is just an amazing guy. Donna, Jason, Johnny, thank you very much for allowing Mark to be our honoree.
Congrats, Dad. What a great honor. Honestly, when I heard you were being recognized at Mount Sinai South Nassau's golf outing, I was a bit shocked. Do they know how bad you are at golf? I think you'd be a better fit for a Harley motorcycle rally for old bald Jewish men.
All kidding aside, Marky B, we can see why you are a great choice for honoree. You are loyal, kind, funny, hardworking, and famous for never saying no. When I think about some of the hardest decisions Johnny and I have had to make throughout our lives together, your support is at the center. When buying our house, you taught us so many things that we would have otherwise not known. And when it came time for negotiations, you were our first and only call. You seem to be everyone's first and only call. My own father has leaned on you for career advice. We're blessed to have you as a dad, grandfather to Nash, and our #1 mentor. I can't think of a better role model for our kids. You are the cream of the crop. We love you.
Although I've never physically had to look up to you, I've been lucky to learn from the best. Beyond your role as dad, we work together side by side every day. Something many find hard to imagine. I couldn't imagine it any other way. The way you carry yourself each day pushes me to be the best version of myself. You're never afraid to get your hands dirty, and no task is beneath you. We know your selflessness and charitable efforts are not for public recognition, but I do hope this day shows you how grateful we all are for everything you do. We're so proud of you. We love you.
Congrats, Dad, on being this year's golf honoree. And obviously, it's not based on your golf game. You've always taught Johnny and I to go out and be involved in the community and give back any way we can. It really makes me proud to walk around the community and hear so many people have such great things to say about my father. I truly value our time that we get to spend in the office together and working together, whether we're out east, riding jet skis, going for a Harley ride. I love you. You deserve this. We appreciate all you do for the family, and we love you.
Congratulations, Dad. You wear many hats, but the best of all is being a terrific and fun-loving pop-up. Whether it's exploring the outdoors, reading books, playing Barbies or trucks, the word no is not in your vocabulary. That says a lot considering you have a granddaughter who loves to do makeup.
Congratulations, Papa. We love you.
You gotta back your ass and drop it. Oh, maybe I should hold this. All right, not now. We're on the phone.
Mark has been a successful businessman from the start, but his greatest success is our marriage and our family. We are truly blessed with two wonderful sons, Jason and Jonathan, who we are very proud of. Fabulous daughters-in-law, Jess and Julia, and three adorable, delicious grandchildren, Dakota, Jackson, and Nash, who are Nana and Papa's pride and joy. From the time we met 47 years ago, I fell in love with a man who was hardworking, driven, devoted, and he proves it every day. He's an inspiration to all. He's a man of integrity. He's generous and he's kind, but most of all, he's humble. I guess you can say he's one of the good guys. Love you, Marky B.